evening everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are going good. So today I am bringing an exciting craft. That one is Venkateshwara, Lord Venkateshwara Swami face craft. See, I have tried with CDs. With CDs too good, no? Yes, and with CDs cutting part a little bit of time taking process, no? That's what same this one I am going to show you with glitter sheets. Let's start. Nice, no? Too good, lovely. Yes, and for this activity we need glitter sheets like this, different colors, okay, and Fevicol, watercolor, brush, scissor, yeah, and glitter sheets we are going to take outlines like this one is Venkateshwara Swami's crown. You need to take outlines like this, and we need to cut like this circles. We need to decorate fully on this crown like this, different papers, different this glitter sheets, okay, keep aside. And these two circles inside of that also different color circles you need to take and paste like this with Fevicol, okay, and two more circles smaller than that first one, okay, same like that only we need to cut like this. These glitter sheets to make this garland for his neck we are going to cut like this. I'll show you this one also how to do. Yes, and Shanku Chakra like this you need to take outlines and we need to cut like this, very easy, no? Outlines also very easy, you need to take outlines and cut like this, and in the middle whatever color you like, yes, you can cut the circles and paste on this like this. Let's start. And this one is main thing, this Venkateshwara Swami Namam, okay. These two also I have done like this Sri Devi, Bhudevi faces like this. I have done drawing part like this small triangles. I will show you this one also how to paste on this. Let's start how to do this one. First we need to take this black color A4 sheet paper, and sides of this, no, you need to cut paper strips like this, any color you can take, yeah, and you need to make one frame like this, and in this we are going to do this activity. First we are taking this crown and we are going to paste upper part of this exactly in the middle of this. We are going to paste like this. Are you able to see this one? Yes. Yeah, we are going to stick this one properly like this. Yes, are you able to see this? Like this, okay, and yeah, now these big circles are there, no? These circles we are going to attach right and left side of this here, exactly in the middle of his face like this. Face drawing also I will show you how to do. And here two small circles, now already I have shown you this one. This one we are going to paste like this. See, like this we are going to paste. Now this one we need to adjust properly, yeah, and in the middle of this, no, we are going to stick this here, you can see from there, no, yeah. See dear, like this we are going to paste this beautiful glitter papers on this black paper. Now what to do is this Shanku Chakra also is there, no? This one, yeah, right side of this Shanku we are going to paste like this, and left side Chakra we are going to paste like this. Nice, no? Take it, lovely. Now these two triangle papers we need to paste here on his chest part, okay. Yes, everyone. Yeah, now what we are going to do, now we are going to draw his eyes. This Namam also is there, no? Nama, this we are going to see. Red color glitter sheet only I took in the middle of this exactly, and we need to draw like this. That's it. We need to cut like this. After cutting it will be like this, and we are going to paste this red color on this, and back of this we are taking little bit Fevicol, and we are going to paste this one exactly in the middle. Wow, that's great, no? Now eyes also I will show you how to draw this one. Closed eyes, no? Yeah, nose also I am drawing here. Yeah, and mouth also we need to take outlines. Only outlines, that's it. This one is chin part. Yes, everyone, like this Lord Venkateshwara's face, beautiful, no? Yes, with only glitter papers. Too good. This one is wall hanging. You can make beautifully like this, and we are going to paste this small paper also for hanging. Any color you can take paper strip like this smaller one, and we are going to bend this one like this. See, we can hang anywhere with this, and back of this paper we are going to paste exactly in the middle. That's it. Beautiful Lord Venkateshwara Swami's face craft with glitter sheets. Too good, no? Yes, everyone, if you like this video, please kindly do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.